Alright, so I just got on the road. It's a nice sunny day, pretty cold. I'll quickly show you guys how you can charge up the Zero and how fast, the SRF and SRS models, and how fast you can charge it. I have the premium model, so you have the base model that just has one 3 kilowatt charger, similar to the Energica when using non-DC fast charging. Then you have the premium models like this one that has two of those 3 kilowatt chargers in place, giving you a total of 6 kilowatt. And then in option, I'm looking to get that option, but I don't have the option yet. You can buy another 6 kilowatt charger that's then built on top here in the charge in the tank compartment. And now I have a storage bin here, but you can have that replaced by the extra 6 kilowatt charge, and then you have 12 kilowatt in total. That's all you can get with the Zeros. And where I'm going is a it's the shortest distance I can do to a Flemish charger. So yeah, Belgium is split between the Flemish part and the French part. I was born in the Flemish part, but I live in the French part. And in the Flemish part I can use all the chargers. I will show you, they work almost all the time. While if I go to the French part, it's a lot harder to get a proper charge. There are a lot less charge points to start with, and the ones that are around aren't always working for some reason. I will also show you my charge cable that I made myself. Okay, and here I reached one of the typical Flemish charge station. So I just used my badge. It's only needed to start and stop charging, and it has typically it has two outlets. This is a 22 kilowatt charger, and it has also two parking spots limited to electric vehicles. For the Zero, it's important that you put it on, you key it on, and only then plug in, which I forgot to do here, so I'm struggling, and I just noticed that I had it plugged in already. So I just, here you see just in the top corner you see the red arrow flashing. It's just because I didn't have the bike on when I plugged it in. I think the only reason that I need to have it on is because I have things enabled like the charge delay and a charge limit, and I need to disable those before the bike will start charging. I guess if you don't have those options enabled, that it will start even if it's not keyed on. You'll still have to key it on if you want to get your cable back, because one of the releases in Belgium or in Europe, one of the firmware releases was in order to lock the cable, and this is my self-made cable. That's what I explained. It's shorter, a lot shorter than the ones I could buy online, and also it uses way smaller wires. For the third phase, it's been prepared already for the third phase, so it should be ready to charge at full speed once I have the extra charge installed. For the heavy third phase, it has two of the smaller wires combined, so that it shouldn't cause any issues with heat. This cable is very flexible and very easy to put away. I'll still have to find another storage point for my charge cable if I replace that charge, if I have that charge tank installed, because currently, as you will see now, my charge cable lives in that compartment. This is me keying on the bike so that it releases the cable, putting some rubber end caps back on. Yeah, so you need a badge to release the cable as well. I'm just putting away my my cable. And next, I'll go to a French charge solution. I'll show you one that doesn't work for me. For some reason, you have to use the SMS, and for some reason, I didn't get it working. But I'll also show you another one that did work. Although the only reason that it worked is because it didn't require me to authenticate, and it just started charging right away. I'll just park next to it. Oh yeah, and I should leave it on. That's something quirky with this SRF. Sometimes I know it gives me the firmware update. That's the one you should not install, the version 18 that's causing all the range issues. But the thing I was explaining is that often it might be some setting of mine, but it doesn't want to charge right away if I don't power the bike on. No, I need to override. That's my charge limit, and then when I put it off,